Evening, everyone. I'm John Maseko, co-founder and executive director of Blue Carrot Properties. Ours is a very simple idea. Imagine given an opportunity between choosing going to a store and buying a suit, or getting a reputable tailor who's not only going to give you the opportunity to choose the material, but also the style which you feel is most representative of your class persona and things like that. I mean, I've done my research and I know about 90% of you are going to choose the client tailored suit. So why is it when it comes to property, a lot of people settle into what the market has to offer? Well, there's a secret actually in the market. The misconception is that these services, client tailored homes, are merely attainable to the super rich. And that is the direct result of the fact that the services are scattered. Now, you remember back in the day when you used to drive around Alexandra, and you had your TomTom navigator in case you get lost, and you had your 3310 Nokia phone in case you get lost, and then you can call Jabu there. And then you also had your computer for navigation. And then two guys from USA by the name of Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, they came up with a very simple idea. Actually, I left my phone there. The idea was to integrate all those services into one, and then you have your smartphone, so that you don't have to carry around all these things. Same as Blue Carrot Properties. We've identified a gap in the market. As a result, we designed a process called the Blue Carrot experience. From inception to post-delivery, you've got to say. And as a result of that, we also saw that it was necessary to integrate like the smartphone. We've got our own architecture, the construction company. We do our own project management. We have our own carpenter and our interior deco. So that reduces the markup cost, which often puts away the consumers. So now we also address the issues of e-tolls. I mean, you live in Joburg and a lot of people don't want to drive through the gantries. So since we want to impart that personality into your own home, what we do is we create an Instagram and Facebook account so that we post daily progress on the account, so that you don't have to drive to site to track the progress. And also because when you buy a house and then you move in and there's no furniture, you need to start thinking about furniture. So we decided we're gonna go to it. We're actually in talks with At Home, so that we have 100,000 rand credit built into the overall cost of construction, so that when you finally move into your home, it's a quasi fully furnished home. That is our value proposition, client tailored homes.